Question for you. Before taking the FE exam, do you really know what concrete is? If you don't, it's all good. I'm gonna tell you. Concrete is a composite material made out of cement, water, aggregates, and sometimes we add those fancy admixtures. A common mixed proportion we use for concrete is 1 bucket of cement. Then we multiply that by 2 and put 2 buckets of sand. And lastly, multiply that 1 bucket by 4 and put 4 buckets of coarse aggregate. But what's the role of each component in concrete? The cement. This is the binder. This is the glue that's going to hold everything together. When mixed with water, this cement forms into a hardened paste that's going to give the concrete its strength. The water. This is needed for the cement to harden. Without the water, the cement will not harden. At the same time, the water gives us workability so we can move, pour, and place the concrete, but too much water is not good. This reduces the strength of the concrete. The aggregates. This is what makes up the volume of the concrete. They make up a huge bulk of the concrete volume. We have fine aggregates like sand. These fill up the little pore spaces, and this also reduces the amount of cement paste we need. Also, we have coarse aggregate like gravel. This is going to give the concrete its bulk volume and it's going to give it its strength. Lastly, those fancy admixtures, no, these are optional. First one, plasticizer. This increases the workability without the need to add water. We have also the accelerator. This accelerates the setting time of the concrete, which is very important in cold weather conditions. We also have the retarder. This retards or delays the setting time. This is important in hot weather conditions. And lastly, we have the air entrainer. It introduces tiny microscopic bubbles, and this helps with the resistance to this freeze-thaw cycle.